Bose SoundLink Home Speaker makes your place feel more like you. In this video, we'll give you an overview on how to set up and use your speaker. First, here's everything you should find inside the box. Your Bose SoundLink Home Bluetooth speaker, a USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable, and finally, important documentation. Now, let's set up your speaker. Out of the box, your speaker will be in a sleep state. You'll need to connect the speaker to power in order to wake it up. Connect the USB-C end of the cable into the USB-C port on the left side of the speaker. Connect the other end into a USB power source, such as a computer or wall charger. Press the power button to turn your speaker on for the first time. The speaker will be in pairing mode, and the Bluetooth light will slowly blink blue. If your speaker isn't in this state, press and hold the Bluetooth button until you hear
"Ready to connect."
Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device and select the speaker from the list of available devices. You can store up to 8 devices in the speaker device list, and the speaker can be actively connected to 2 devices at a time. By default, the voice prompts are in English. To change the language, press and hold the volume up and multifunction button until you hear the first language option.
English.
Use the volume up and volume down buttons to cycle through the available languages. When you hear the language you want, press and hold the multifunction button until you hear a tone. In addition to playing audio from a Bluetooth device, you can play audio through the USB port. Connect the other end of the USB cable to a computer or other USB audio source. If the speaker is powered on, you'll hear
USB audio.
Please note, you may need to select the speaker as the audio output device in your USB audio source's settings. You can easily switch between a USB audio source and a Bluetooth device by pausing audio on one and then playing audio on the other. Your speaker will continue to charge while using USB audio with certain audio sources. Please allow up to 4 hours to fully charge the battery. If the speaker is powered on while charging, the power light will blink white, then glow solid white when fully charged. If the speaker is powered off, the power light will glow amber while charging and then turn off when fully charged. A full charge powers the speaker for up to 9 hours. Next, let's take a look at the controls located on the top of the speaker. In addition to the power and Bluetooth button, you'll see a volume down and volume up button and a multifunction button. A single press of the multifunction button will pause or play audio. Double press to skip to the next track, and triple press to skip to the previous track. A single press will also answer or end a call, and a double press will decline an incoming call. Press and hold the multifunction button to access the voice assistant on your mobile device. Finally, for a more immersive music experience, you can connect 2 Bose SoundLink Home speakers together and play the same song in stereo. For the best experience, position the speakers in the same area within 10 feet of each other and free from any obstructions. You can play stereo audio from either a Bluetooth device or a USB audio source. However, the primary speaker can be only connected to 1 device at a time. Also, any devices connected to the secondary speaker will be disconnected. On the speaker you want to make the primary, press and hold the Bluetooth and volume up buttons simultaneously until you hear
Press the Bluetooth and volume down buttons simultaneously on a second Bose device.
On the secondary speaker, press and hold the Bluetooth and volume down buttons simultaneously until you hear a tone. Once the speakers are connected, you'll hear
Stereo mode. Left. Right.
By default, powering off one of the speakers will cause the other to power off as well. The next time you power on both speakers, they will automatically reconnect to each other.
Battery full. Connected. Stereo mode. Left. Right.
If you want to clear the speaker connection, press and hold the Bluetooth and volume up button on one of the speakers until you hear
Bose speakers unlinked.
That's been an overview of the Bose SoundLink Home Speaker. For additional support, visit our website.